Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Hope you're all well and doing well. I'm really sorry that I haven't been able to upload any videos this year so far. Nearly September. It's September now. So during all this time, because I was not well, so I was thinking to do something. So I went ahead and bought a 3D printer, which I wanted to buy for a long time. So I bought the printer and obviously 3D printer, I haven't used it before. When that arrived, it was working fine. It printed a couple of things. So I'm not going to talk about the printer today. It's totally different. So let's get to it. Disclaimer, I'm not affiliated or asked by anybody to do this video. Anything I say is all mine because I bought it from my own pocket. So let's get to it. What I'm gonna talk to you today is totally different thing. You know the 3D printer I just mentioned. So they obviously come with this. It's not Bango or anything. It's one of those what you call filament. I can find the head somewhere. When you look for one, it can't get it. Here you go. So that come with this filament. Just to start with, it printed fine. It's like little wee rabbit, wee cat. Not that great, but then suddenly stopped working. And so I went ahead and bought some more filament just to make sure it working. I contacted the company. They asked me to do all this firmware upgrade, which I never done it before. You have to take everything apart, well, few of the things apart to do that. Eventually, I had to send them back. They said, send them back, we will send you another one. So I hope that when it come back, it will work. But in the meantime, what I was trying to get is my filaments, because the weather changing and everything. A lot of people say, make sure that they are kept in a dryer. To get a dryer from, you can spend thousands of pounds, as you understand. You can start from like 38 pounds to all the way hundreds, I guess. I think so far I've seen like good 100 pounds. So, and the problem with some of them are they come individually, one at a time. And so if I can go ahead, I bought something for something like this one, it would be come in two, so you can only put two. I got 3 filament. And also, if I keep using it, I might need to use some more, but that is different. So I thought, and also that electric, you have to connection and all the temperature you have to maintain and everything. So what I did, I went ahead and I bought a simple solution, which is, well, you can buy silica and then stick it in the box, in the sealed packet. I saw some of them that you get the pack, you fill them up, and then you suck the hell out of it with the air out, and then it's sealed. So you can do that way. Or what I did, I bought it's called Dry-Store multi 3D printer filament storage container, which is this one, obviously. I'm going to show you just now. It's just arrived suddenly today, actually. So I thought, oh, why not just before I shove anything, it come in a box, huge big box, all this thingy in it. I just opened the box anyways before I do anything. So this one, okay, this one is to hold the silica powder, silica, whatever we call this, silica gel. That's it, silica gel. It's called, yeah. And the box itself is very simple, and also a lid that goes with it. And where's my knife? As I said, it's just arrived. I was actually just putting away, and then Moni said, "Oh, why don't you just do a video? You haven't done a lot of videos, any video at all." So yeah, there you go. So I thought I'd do it. And it's come with this lid. As you can see, it's got a rubber seal. So when you put that with the knife, so when you put that in, as you can see, when you put that in, it's still, and you just basically buy those dinner box, you know, pretty much those stuff, little bit big, all will good lunches and So how it goes? Oh, just to give you the dimension of this is it can take 4 filament like that, 1 kg filament that goes in, and so, and also yeah, this external size of this one is 33 centimeter by 25 centimeter by 24. So height is 24, this way is 25, and that way is 33. And internal, the size at the top, not at the bottom, the top is 31 centimeter, which is this bit in here. In here is, and the width is 22. But when you go at the bottom, is actually 28 by 19, because it's actually not straight, as you can see. It's a little bit cut shape. So when you put that thing, obviously it's gonna be roll around. It might, you know. So what does it do is you have to put this, I'll move this thing away. So when you put this silica in here, which I'm gonna do it in a second, and so the filament, the thing is gonna sit on it, the holders, so it doesn't roll around, and also the silica powder stay there. The idea is when this silica powder, apparently they said do not eat. They know I'm moving well, I guess. And it said do not open seal bag until ready to use. Pour the container into the vented container, which is this one here. And what happened is when the color become pale, what they said is that when it become pale, you put it in a oven-proof container. Put it in the oven. I think I've seen somewhere it says. So when what happened is when the color is said, when in the we suggest you empty the whole new now pale colored into a large oven-proof dish, making it making a thin layer as possible. Place it in a preheated maximum 120 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 60 minutes, or until they return back to an orange color. Let them cool slightly before handling, as they will be hot. Yeah, of course, when you take it out from the stove. There you go. So when you do that and then put them back in, oops, your uncle. And the good thing on these is that because it's like that, it's sealed. I got only 3, obviously it can take 4. And then in the future, if I buy more, which I probably will if the printer works and if I get used to it, and you can actually stack them, which is good. When you stack them, they will be like this. And then yes, let's go and put this in. There's a little notch there, so you can hit it off, hopefully. There you go. Ooh, look at that. Lovely orange color. See? I'm not using my camera today, I'm just using my mobile, so didn't take all the glove out. So yeah, bear with me, please. Now, please don't make a mess. Oh, I like the sound of it. Sounds like Bombay mix, isn't it? You know Bombay mix? Oh, it's finished. Well, how that goes. Oh, no, I can't even shut it. Oh, there you go. So now, as you can see, this go like that, nicely. This goes, I'll put it this way because, so, this goes at the bottom, you see, and then I also got these silica things. I'm going to put it in there anyway. And then this goes, this one is an ABS filament, I think it is an ABS. I printed a handle and it came really nice, but the handle is supposed to be made for the printer. The bottom layer, when I was printing, it didn't stick, it came off. So I pulled it out while it was printing, and then I restarted, paused it and restarted, and then it's finished it. So it went well, but as I said, the bottom layer missing. So this goes like that. This one is a transparent one, and this one is like a wood effect, as you can see. I think can't remember what did I print with that. It's like a wood effect. When it printed, it come up really nice. I think I go this way. Oh yes, I printed this dolphin thingy. See? It's really nice. It's just, I don't know. I mean, look, it's the bottom. Is it supposed to be like that? I don't know. I don't think so, because this one's supposed to be come off. And that's how it is. Now, this will be banded. I need them. So, big cat. It's like those Chinese thingy cat with the hand goes like that, you see. And so we wrap it. How my aunt says, not my aunt, is a very good friend of ours, because Muni does a lot of raisins work while she's learning, and then we got it from, what's her name, Sharon Morton. She said, we little torch when she used it, but thing is, we use the little thing. But anyway, she knows, but I think she just got used to it. But anyway, get to the point. Here it is. When you put them in, so there's another space, but not these ones, obviously. I just put it there for the sake of it. And then fourth one can go in there. Third one is enough space. Oops. There you go. This goes like that. And shit clicks. There you go. Done. Now, oops. I don't know if this one you can print it directly from this, because those ones that it comes with the box and heating, all the all these things come with it. Those ones you can actually while it's in the box you can come out. So I think I just showed you earlier these boxes Amazon is $48.99. You can buy like these ones. You see that those ones you can print them. Well, you can use them while you're printing. So yeah, you can. There's a hole there. I haven't seen any hole or anything. I don't think so. It would be, because then that's the whole thing, is to keep it airtight with that. But as I said, these ones you can buy that one, although £102.90 in UK. With the 10% discount, that will be a little bit less, or whatever you call them. And then you can have single ones like these ones. They are £38 each. So if I bought 4 of them, I have to have like £140, £120. Whereas this one I only paid £48. It got 4 in there. So like a lot of things to start with. If somebody's starting, I would say buy one of these, unless you have the money to buy all sorts of things. But to learn it, like me, I just bought it. As I said, my printer didn't work, so I had to send it back. Actually, it went out yesterday. Hopefully, I will get a new one. Well, they said they're going to replace a new one. So hopefully, when it comes back, I will do a video on that. So that's that, my friends. Only just quick one. Hopefully, it is small, long, quick one. As I said, my friend, and always said, please subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and thank you for coming to my channel, and welcome to my channel. That's the one I want to say. And those are coming back, thank you very much for coming back and showing your interest and your support. Any subscriptions, any help, any comments help me a lot. I'll put the description in the description, well, about the thing in the descriptions, and some other ones, but you can always look on Amazon. And these ones are pretty, to me, I think is very good price for the money, or whatever you call, a very good thing for the price. And let me see how it goes. If I finding, I'll let you know if that any good. But as I said, please just subscribe my channel if you haven't already, my friend. And also, as I said all the time, that the life is short, live long and prosper. Take care of yourself and each other, and stay safe. May Allah bless you all with all the happiness, joy, prosperity, stability, and a long, healthy life. Allah Hafiz.